Also with this system, if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there, I'll just turn this down. The bottom is a silver triangle with 3 silver circles. If you click on that, you can hardly see it on the new update, the silver screen. You can hardly see it. It fades into the background. But you'll see there's iPhone and Ford Transit. That means it will play out the Ford Transit here. So if I go to audio and then click sources and onto Bluetooth, it's connecting to my phone. It's showing you what's going to play, the stereophonics. Maybe tomorrow, if I turn that up, and then that's it. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But that's how you stream audio.